Hello everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on today's video. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these cute little notepad wraps. Very easy to do. The designer series paper I'm using today is the All Is Bright. Now, I will have a detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, don't stress, everything will be there. I will also have it linked in the description, and if you click on that link, it should take you straight to the blog post. So I have my Stampin' trimmer, and we need to do some scoring. Now I went ahead and I ran the glimmer paper, the gold glimmer paper with the layering circles, and then I have a whisper white layering circle for the sentiment. We need to do some scoring. Now the designer series paper measures 3 inches by 11 3/8, and we need to score this at 7/8 of an inch, 1 1/8, 6 1/8, and 6 3/8. We are going to fold and burnish our score lines. Now, I grabbed these notepads from our local store here, and they were very inexpensive. There were about 8 notepads in this pack for $2. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to rip off one of these notepads. Now, not a big deal that this notepad has come loose because we are going to glue it. So, I have my multi-purpose liquid glue. And I am just going to put glue on the back. Now with this liquid glue, it does need a few minutes to dry. You're going to add some liquid glue on here. These make awesome little stocking stuffers. Great for craft fairs, teacher's gifts, you know, to put towards a teacher's gift. Super cute. Okay, that's going to fold up. And then the stamp set I'm using today is the Snowflake Sentiment. I've got my Memento ink. And I'm just going to stamp the sentiment, wrapped in the warmth of Christmas. Now, I didn't want anything that popped up in case somebody wanted to put this in their handbag, pocketbook, I'm sorry. So I didn't really want any pop on this notepad. I'm just going to attach that to the gold glimmer. And then attach this piece to the front. Like so. And again, you want to just give it a few minutes to dry. And that, my friends, is your super cute little notepad holders. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. If you click on any of them, it will take you directly to my online store. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday and a great week ahead. And I hope to see you back here on Wednesday. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care.